because many of my pre-ordered Fresh dolls have arrived, including the special runs. These were dolls available online only with limited quantities. My Fresh fam is growing! Oops, I am still in my PJs. Alright, where was I? Oh yeah, let's check the box to see what's inside. Here is Aria, Daniel from the Fresh Squad, another Malik, I often buy doubles, Anthony, another Elena, doubles are good for customizing. And here are the special runs, also known as limited edition. In the first box we have tissue paper. No, I'm just joking. I see a doll in there. And it looks like, I want to say this is Tamara. Yep, it is Wave 2 Tamara, wearing a white off-the-shoulder lace top, jean shorts, and white shoes. Doll number 2 is Indigo, wearing a wide leg off-the-shoulder lavender one-piece. Then she has an ivory faux fur coat that is full length. Here is her taupe fresh purse and matching shoes. Doll number 3 is Jacqueline in a long copper faux fur coat. She has on a burgundy and gold dress underneath with gold ribbon straps, a gold purse, and gold strappy shoes. Doll number 4 is Victoria. This cutie has a beauty mark. She has reddish brown hair and is wearing some of the new Wave 2 fashion, an off-the-shoulder dress with large ruffled sleeves. And I like the ponytail. Let's take a look at Aria. She is new to the Fresh fam this year. This doll is a deluxe doll and she is available online at thefreshdolls.com and at Walmart. I have already seen her on the shelves. Let's take her out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, she comes in a deep purple two-piece outfit with puff sleeves and high-waisted pants. She has a white purse and white shoes. She has silver fresh earrings and curly hair. Deluxe dolls come with additional fashion and accessories. She comes with a striped crop sweater, a skirt, a larger white bag, and another pair of shoes. So you can mix and match her look. All Fresh dolls are fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, hip, and knee. Now let's bring out the Fresh Squad. Malik, you already know from our previous review. He is available online and at Walmart. Daniel is new to our collection. He has curls on top and is shaved around the sides, a little facial hair on the chin. He wears an off-white long-sleeve shirt, green khakis, and brown boots. He comes with a camo jacket, laptop, cell phone, and sunglasses. It is possible to balance him to stand on a flat surface. Anthony, the last member of our squad, has facial hair, wears a textured black shirt, black pants, black shoes. Look at the details on those shoes. And he wears a red jacket. He comes with a laptop, cell phone, and sunglasses. These guys are fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, knee, and ankle. Which is awesome because I've always had a difficult time finding fully articulated guys. Remember Elena? We reviewed her in a previous video. Well, I bought another one because I am curious to see if we can upgrade some of our other dolls with the basic 5 points of articulation. Experimentation time. Off with their heads.
And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running.
They have different neck pegs, and I highly recommend softening the head before removing. And underneath, they look pretty similar. The Fresh Dolls is a little bit smaller. Let's place the Fashionista onto the Fresh Doll body and the Fresh Doll on the Barbie body. The skin tone is off just a little and her neck got a lot longer. Our new fresh fashionista now has a slightly shorter neck, but she can still fit her Barbie clothes. And those one-size-fits-all fashion packs fit the Fresh Doll bodies perfectly. So it's good to know that Fresh Dolls are an option for upgrading dolls with the basic 5. I am headed to Walmart for more bodies. Wait, that came out wrong. There are Fresh Doll fashion packs available at Walmart and online at thefreshdolls.com. Here is the dress that Victoria was wearing. It comes with a clear glitter purse and matching shoes. How about this lace top and skirt for when you're feeling a little fancy? It is a full wide skirt, comes with a white purse and white shoes. Indigo's fur coat will keep the dolls cozy. It comes with the taupe purse and shoes, pink top and shiny black pants. Comes with a pink purse and pink shoes. Check this out! Copper satin top over a white t-shirt. They are sewn together and are one piece with faux leather shorts, white sneakers, and my favorite book bag. I love book bags. We can totally customize all of our fresh fashion and accessories by using a little paint to add details to the buckles, logos, zippers, and shoes. To make them pop, use a touch of school glue and glitter to give Froggy Fresh a nose ring that is completely removable. If you decide to take your braids down and find that you have a few bumps, carefully pour hot water over the braids. Make sure you have adult supervision to make them lay flat. This will work for Malik too. Tailor the outfits to your style. I place the outfit on the doll inside out. I use a needle and thread to take in the sides to give the dress a fitted look. Since I have 2 fur coats, take one, fold over, and run a straight stitch along the bottom. Trim off the excess, cut squares from the leftover hem, sew them onto the front, around the side and bottom edges. I'm using a needle and thread to stitch them on. Now we have pockets on a Sherpa jacket that our dolls can wear every day. We can use the leftover fabric to make a fuzzy pillow for a little bonus. Speaking of bonuses, since I pre-ordered my Fresh Dolls from thefreshdolls.com, a free printable was included. Look, there's me! This was a special gift for pre-ordering Wave 2 dolls, and we can use it to decorate a room. I'm just gonna cut this one out, glue a few layers of cardstock behind it to add strength, glue on a small triangle to make a picture. There are a lot more, so it looks like we've got our work cut out for us. So let's make a quick room using the doll's packaging. Take the back of the box and remove all of the plastic, cover with scrapbook paper, glue it to a piece of covered cardboard, use scraps of cardboard to make a box, glue it to the wall and the floor for support, glue popsicle sticks onto the sides, add blankets and pillows to make a mini room. I added some wooden dowels to the back of the box for a little more support. Cut out and use the printables to decorate the room so we have a space to display our dolls. Use more doll boxes to make more mini rooms and combine them together to make a larger space to play. And my paper is done. Just one more final and hello winter break. Tam, what do you think of this dress? It's my final project for Fashion Design 101. Oh yeah, it's great. Now where is my science book? But I feel like it's missing something. Oh, that'll work. It's fresh, it's fabulous, it's smart. Mia, is that my science book? Off to the library. Oops, my bad. Good luck on your finals. I glued the TV onto black foam board so it could stand up. I glued a lot of the pictures directly to the wall. The magazines are easy, you can just cut them out and go. I glued a piece of foam board directly into the book cover. For the printable doll boxes, cut clear plastic from the packaging, Carefully score a rectangle that is the same size as the printable, leaving a border around the edge. Cut squares at the corners to make tabs. Fold the tabs over. Secure the edges with tape to make a clear box to tape onto the printable so the dolls can have fresh dolls. I am so happy to have all of the Wave 2 dolls. Check out our other Wave 2 unboxings for Malik, Mia, Elena, Lynette, and Froggy on our YouTube channel. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.